And Oakman and Ford. Ford to plate. Ford to plate. He's going in reverse.
DT open and Ford, still in vehicle.
Vehicle. He's in reverse on Ford Road, going eastbound on Ford. Single male occupant, air mail.
Air mail, eastbound Ford, collided with patrol vehicle.
28, he's still in reverse. We're slow speeds. His vehicle is.
Okay, vehicle's heavily damaged, still in reverse.
FBA is still going through, reverse on McGraw.
28, as soon as they get with us, we're going to turn it over. He's still going in reverse on McGraw. On Ford.
Still reversing on McGraw. We're notifying Detroit.
Turn it over to him. He's coming to a stop now. We're at Lawndale. 28, he's coming to a stop. His vehicle's going to be disabled. We're going to box him in.
Okay, box in at Lawndale.
Hands up right now!